Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last videos I shared with you some reviews of products, and now it's time to share my experience developing my YouTube channel with you. If you're a newbie and you want to start your YouTube channel, then this is the video for you. I'm sharing the 6 things that I've done over the past months that have helped me and my channel to grow. In today's video, I want to break down the very beginning steps, not talking so much about how to grow your channel, but more focused on how to start your YouTube channel and what exactly goes into that process. If you have something that you're really passionate about, that you want to share with people and connect with people in this really engaging, fun way, or because you want to make YouTube into a career and earn a full-time living from it. So we're going to get into the 6 steps that you need to follow in order to start a successful YouTube channel. There's actually more steps, but I don't want this video to get too crazy long. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide useful information to help you create and grow your online business. For the new people here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell not to miss out on my next videos, as I'm making a series of videos related to YouTube and everything you need to know to grow your online business. If you want even more free training and want to learn how to make an online business successfully, make sure to click on the link below for a free, proven strategy to create your own online business. Check it out. Let's get into the 6 steps of starting your own YouTube channel. The first thing is that you need to choose is a niche for your channel that you're really passionate about. Because if you want to have a successful YouTube channel, you need to make a whole lot of videos that are mostly focused around one central topic or niche. You want to make sure that you choose something that you could talk all day about. The second thing, if you're trying to decide between 2 different topics for your channel or several different topics, then I would recommend that you go and you look at other channels that make videos about those different topics and just see how much of demand there is for different topics. So you can say you're brainstorming other videos and topics. Some topics are more popular on YouTube than others. If you want this to become a career, then you'll definitely want to choose a topic or niche, as we call it, that has enough people interested in it. I find that it works best to keep your channel as focused on a few things as possible, so that you can really start to attract people who are all going to be interested in every video that you create. The third thing that you need to do is get really clear for yourself about exactly who your subscribers are going to be, what value they're going to get out of watching your videos. People are only going to watch your videos and subscribe to your channel if there's something that they're getting from it. Even if it's something is just simple entertainment, value, or just relief from boredom. You can decide what videos will really appeal to your audience and make videos every single week that will continue to interest and engage them. The other thing that you need to do is to brainstorm different video ideas. Now, you don't need lots of video ideas, but for your own benefit, I really recommend that you look at 10 or 20 potential ideas. First of all, it will mean you're never going to feel like you don't know what to make your next video about. You will have a bank of ideas. But the second reason is probably even more important, And that's because if you just think of the first few video ideas, then they might be pretty good, but you don't really have something to compare them to. Instead, if you come up with 20 video ideas, then you can choose the very best of those ideas. Think carefully which videos your audience would like. The fourth step is to choose your equipment. Now you don't need anything fancy. I started with my Samsung Note 8 and it's a brilliant phone to use. But if you have any smartphone from the past couple of years, it's probably going to have just as fine video quality for starting out. I find that phones actually tend to have really good audio quality as well. So you won't even need a microphone when you first start out. The biggest thing you need to keep in mind when you're starting, and especially if you have a camera that's not the best quality, is the light. It has a dramatic impact on the quality of your videos. The more light you get on your face, the better your videos will look. That's really going to impact how many people subscribe to your channel when they watch each of your videos. There are all sorts of fancy lighting systems you can get. Some of them are really expensive. I would recommend, if you're doing this on a budget, like me, that natural light is the best. If you can sit right in front of a window and let the light shine on your face, that's going to look great. It will be really beautiful light. I have another video I made of my office setup, and in that video you can see exactly what I was using. I will leave the link below that you can check it out. The fifth step that you need to do when you start your YouTube channel successfully is to decide on your filming and uploading schedule. So don't just decide which days you're going to upload, but also figure out when you're actually going to get those videos filmed so that you can put it on your calendar and make sure that you get that done every single week. I usually make my videos every weekend and make sure I'm ready to post them the days that I've been scheduling them in the week. So for the best results, I recommend that you upload at least once every week. 2 times can be great if it isn't too compromising with your quality, that you're not focusing on the quantity only. You need to give out valuable quality to your viewers. You need to be consistent with what you're going to upload. You don't want to try to make too many videos because quality really does matter. Especially when we're trying to stand out in some place that's competitive, like YouTube. We have to add value to our audience. You can batch film your videos and film 2 or 4 videos once or twice a month to get all your videos filmed. But when you're first starting out, especially, I'd recommend that you film at least once a week, because you're going to improve the quality every time you make a video. That's what happened to me. It took me about a month before I really felt good in front of the video camera. And now I'm not even showing my face. If you film every week, you will get more comfortable on camera. And that's simply because you'll be practicing more regularly. Now you're ready to actually create your YouTube channel. YouTube makes this real easy, especially if you already have a Gmail account. You can basically just log in with your Gmail account on YouTube and then click through their prompts to set up your YouTube channel. It's super simple and they make it easy enough for anyone to do it. Make sure you don't skip to create a banner for your channel and write a description and also about you and your aim with this channel. These things really make your channel look a bit more professional. You might not think that professional is exactly what you're going for here, but it just makes it look like you're more serious about what you're doing. I made a video actually, film your first video. Now don't overthink this. Check out my video and see how easy it can be. There are so many good things that can come from having your own YouTube channel, And you just have to bite the bullet and film that first video and get it over with. My video question for today. Was this helpful? What do you need to know more about YouTube when you start out with your channel? I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com. I provide advice, training and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. So in this video, I shared with you all of the things that you need to start your successful YouTube channel. Check out my link below and see for yourself a proven strategy that works and how you can have a successful online business. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the bell icon not to miss my next video. Remember, I'm doing a series of YouTube videos to help you grow your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again for my next video on the other side of the screen.